Hello everyone. Day number 4, meal number 1. Today I'm having a salad from Cava. Have Abhi here with me as well. Cava is a Mediterranean chain very similar to Chipotle, and they have amazing salads and pitas. My salad right here has Sweetgreens, which is a mix of arugula, kale, broccoli and other flavors. The sauces I included here are red pepper harissa, that is the orange you're seeing in the middle, and I also included roasted eggplant. These two combined are around 70 calories, and the Sweetgreens are around 40 calories, which is 250 calories. Both of these are a combined 100 calories, and other toppings which will be another 50 on the top. Then I also have their grilled chicken. So far that is 360 calories. And on the top I have lemon herb tahini and also yogurt dill. Overall this salad will be around 550 calories. I also got their Mexican diet cola, which is very tasty. This is one of the most tastiest of all the salads. Yes, it's a little bit around the medium level when it comes to calories and stuff. The carbs are still pretty decent. It's all just vegetables and yogurt dill and stuff, so no big deal. So day 4 meal 1 is done. Can't wait to see you in the evening one. Hello everyone. Day 4 meal number 2. Now I went to Sweetgreens to have a buffalo chicken salad. So let's take a look. It has nice greens which gives you vitamin K. Then it has chicken which has selenium inside it that helps to convert all the protein into energy. So overall it's a combination of very good greens and protein. So feel lively and active once you have it. So this particular salad is around 500 calories. So morning I have the other salad which is around 500 too. So total I came around 1000 as of now. So I still have a deficit of 150 to 200 calories now. So I'll eat like a nice protein bar that is 130 calories with peanut butter. So that will be all for today. Overall I'm closing today around same as yesterday, 1200 calories. So let's see how it goes tomorrow morning. Alright everyone, can't wait to see you tomorrow morning. Okay guys, the result of day number 4, I'm checking on the morning of day number 5. As you see, it's 177.7 pounds. So that would be 80.9 kilograms.